Hey guys, what's up? I'm here in front of the Advanced Aircraft corner here, and we're getting ready to see the RV-15. We're about quarter till 10 a.m. here at Oshkosh 2022, and people are starting to gather around, and I'm told it's going to be over this way, and then they're going to push it back actually with the customers, RV customers. So we're getting close, so let's get right to it.
Just now a high wing. It's just
EAA, thank you so much for having us here today.
Oh, ladies for liberty. Ladies and gentlemen, if you heard that, if you like that, give them a wave. Make it see you wave. Come on, if you enjoy that, that was great.
Thank you everybody for coming.
Oh, Ray John.
New airplane.
Yeah!
You know, we got past that little bump in the road Saturday evening, but what a turnout we're having today.
Take a look at the airplane, folks.
Yeah.
2 + 2.
It ain't made for speed, so it's
No,
cool.
no.
Yeah, doors be up just around. We have a composite door and works right now.
It's not as a sky catching store.
Makes it quick.
Yeah, it's got pretty big
There's obviously all over there.
and that's my problem. When I have a project, I gotta get it done. I'm the aerobatics too. Oh, sorry, mate. We're everywhere, mate. Yeah, it's pretty decent.
That's right. Start
Well, that's what I found out. So. I didn't hear him. No. They're all.
This is an IL-390 EXD-1H. The design of the airplane is around 220 horsepower, so 360 as well. That's the sweet spot.
Is there ways that you're designing to be able to build it light so that 360 would be sufficient in the backcountry?
The balance of the airplane, when you have it right, will work out pretty well with the standard cowl for either engine. Do your weight and balance a little differently, be a little more careful where you put your stuff. So,
And constant speed for CG versus fixed pitch?
yeah, so
Too late is you could put a 320 mount on, which would mount the 360 2 inches further forward, and then you could put a lightweight prop on without putting a whole bunch of those two pivot points.
it's all inside. All buried under the cabin. It's not hanging out in the breeze for drag.
come to the forum tomorrow morning. We've got some animations and videos we'll show that give you some details.
Over here.
Yeah.
So doors up, fly with the doors up.
That's the intent. We have
What
not got
about
to that point yet.
things like belly pod and strut mounts for
Ideally, we have enough room in the baggage compartment.
So you probably already answered the question. Is it going to be a 2 or 4 place?
We have one seat in it right now, of course, for test purposes.
Yeah.
Designed as a 2. Looked at other options.
Yeah.
The 2-place seems to be the right mix. The right
Yeah, and just tons of cargo.
Tons of cargo.
Yeah.
There's enough room back there. People can do a lot of different things. We looked at the third seat. The third seat probably makes the most sense. We are shooting for enough useful load to get 2 Bubba Juniors full fuel and 200 pounds. Not until we have the kit prototype. This is early days in the test airplane. We are working towards 900 pounds.
So strictly EAB, no LSA component.
If Mosaic goes through, there's an option to do it.
So no published speeds yet?
Not until we have a kit prototype.
Yeah. I mean, because RV is always like a fast, sleek, you know, and it's a high wing, but I know you guys are trying to keep less drag. I just didn't know if you had any target you were wanting to, you think you might get, or it's not no sportsman speed or anything like that, is it?
Well, we were shooting for 140 knots
Yeah.
in the non-stall configuration, so not big tires.
Yeah, yeah.
All the fairings that we haven't developed yet, those types of things.
Yeah.
But total performance for this mission is different than your typical RV.
Exactly.
We don't want to go 200 knots, but we do
Oh,
want
yeah.
to land slow.
Exactly. Cool, thanks.
We've already had one.
Presumably looking at simple things like you've done on some of the other models. I mean, you put the fairings on the gear and get 15 knots on the 7 right off the get-go. Could you do the same kind of stuff here? So slicking it up as well as anything like that?
That's the intent. Big tires, obviously, we're going to
Yeah. But you could put 6s on and have a full, more all-rounder. Which,
That's all right.
He's going to put a video up. We'll get hit.
Where are you listening from? Tell us. Columbus.
Seattle.
Pretty accurate. Yeah, as long as you're easy on the gear and there's no crazy.
In the morning at 7 o'clock. It's an ultralight bar and encourages everyone, including walkers and first-time runners.